For statistical appendix.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma emphasized that the quality of education depends on teachers, citing the PGI ranking, which indicates unsatisfactory state performance. He mentioned that while education in Shillong and Tura town may not be poor, but rural Meghalaya does not meet the required educational standards. He addressed attendees at the national workshop on the use and interaction of Swayam and credit transfer in the context of NEP 2020, organized by Shillong College. In his speech, Sangma underscored the significance of science education and highlighted the shortage of science and mathematics teachers in rural Meghalaya.
If you look back to the history of the universe, what happened yesterday and day after, in the last 60 years, the journey of the Shillong College, I'm sure it has produced thousands of great minds who are working in different institutions, different positions, serving a different position to the community, to the state, and to the nation. And also we understand that tomorrow there will be more. Because the science that Bangladesh Science Technology has reached to this stage and its application will start from tomorrow.
Deputy Chief Executive Member